Are you disappointed by the way your build looks when you unequip your shirt? This guide is going to help you start the lifting side quest, which can drastically improve your aesthetics. Anyone can make real progress leveling up their physique stats. This is a beginner guide, so we're just going to get our feet wet with the iron game by discussing how to equip a simple gym in your home base and how to start making progress with 3 beginner-friendly exercises. First, we're going to need to get a few pieces of gear. We don't want to deplete our cash stack too early by buying a bunch of fancy equipment that really isn't necessary for this stage in the game, so I recommend picking up a simple dip station, preferably with a pull-up bar attached like this. You can always buy a separate doorway pull-up bar if necessary, or a pair of Olympic rings. It'll do pretty much the same job. Along with those 2 things, I recommend you buy an ab wheel. These simple pieces of gear cost hardly anything on popular player marketplaces like Facebook, and they don't take up very much room in your inventory. Once you've got them, give your gym a name and prepare to begin farming experience. There are 3 main skills we're going to use to harvest noob gains throughout the first phase of the game. These are all bodyweight exercises, so don't worry about equipping weights. The pull-up is going to target the musculature of the back, biceps, and forearms. The dip is for your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Finally, the ab wheel is for the abs. But it also hits the lats and triceps for a little bonus XP at the end of a workout. You're going to want to focus on learning the appropriate form on these movements throughout the tutorial. If you're unable to complete a single pull-up, consider adding a band or performing jumping negatives. You can also just use a stool and some leg assist to develop your ability to pull your body weight above the bar. As for the dip, you can simply use whatever is the deepest range of motion you're capable of for 10 reps, and progress from there by going deeper week over week. This strat also works for the ab wheel. I recommend you work your way up to 3 sets of 10 clean, controlled reps on each of these movements before you branch out to explore other parts of the skill tree. This is going to help you familiarize yourself with the controls, and it gives you a chance to start paying attention to how your muscles feel during and after a workout. If you can get into a routine and do this for a few months, I guarantee you will start to see your build change. That's when you can really start to branch out and explore other parts of the skill tree, like barbell training or other variations of the pull-ups, dips, and rollouts you've been using.